In this video, I will show you how to connect your OKX wallet to Metamask. Start by visiting the official OKX website in your browser. Instead of navigating to the exchange, click on the wallet option at the top of the page. Tap on Connect Wallet. When the options appear, select Other. From the list of wallet options, choose Metamask. Your browser will prompt you to open Metamask. If you have Metamask installed, sign into your Metamask account, click Next, then click Connect. Your Metamask wallet will now connect to your OKX wallet. You can now view your crypto, DeFi assets, and NFTs directly through the OKX interface. So that's how you connect OKX to Metamask in just a few steps. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.